In this video, we're going to show you how we can advertise for your business or company or for your brand without sharing your login details. So we're going to show you how you could scan a QR code we're going to send to you and approve our assets so that we can run professional TikTok ads from our end without sharing your login details. Also check out the description section. We're also going to share more interesting details and updates for your business. So let's jump right straight in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content like this. So guys, make sure you check your WhatsApp. We're going to send you the QR code, which you're going to scan on TikTok. So after you're done downloading the image, so I'm going to click on the image again. For those of you who, even if you download the image, it doesn't show on your gallery. So you select the particular QR code. Next, you click on save or download, depending on the device you're using. So I'm going to click on save. Next, we go to TikTok. Okay, so this is TikTok. Next, you go to your profile. Next, you click on this human icon with a plus sign at the top left. Okay, next, you click on the scan code at the top right. Next, you click on gallery. Okay, so we're going to select the image. That's how easy it works automatically. So take note, if it's not a business account, it's going to ask you to switch into a business account first. So that's exactly what's going on here. If this is what you're experiencing, so you simply select a category that is closely related to your business. So once you select your category, you click on continue and you continue. But if you're a business account, let's go back. I don't want to switch this account to a business account, but if this is the only one you have and you insist on using it to run ads, you have to switch to a business account. It's also going to help your business a lot, particularly if you want to do advertising on a long term. So you go back. Okay, so I'm going to switch to our business account or a business account. So click on the human icon again. So let's assume that you already have a business account. All right. So you click on the top left. Okay. So click on the scan QR at the top right. Next, we click on gallery. Next, we select one of these images. So you see, it's very easy. This one is a business account. That's why it worked. Then you can read all of this. After you're done reading, you click on continue to approve. So this is how we will be able to run ads on your TikTok account. For this case, you can see that it shows authorization failed. So the reason why it should failed is because it's already connected. But for yours, it's going to show authorization approved. So you can see this account has already been linked to the business center. Okay. All right. So take note of this. So you click on close. We've already linked that a long time ago. If you want to convert your account to a business account first before doing this, kindly check the description section of this video. We're going to attach a link to the video that will show you how to switch to a business account, or you follow the on-screen instruction as you saw there. See you guys in our next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.